This is JBL T450 BT. It's quite good but not great. Let me explain. Starting with the build, this one is also made of plastic and I wasn't able to wear them for a long time. They're quite uncomfortable, at least for me. If you have a large head, I don't think this one is for you. I know it's light and compact, but hey, it isn't quite comfortable to wear. You can fold it like this, but not like this. I honestly, in my opinion, don't like the build. So moving on to the sound, it sounds really good to me, at least for the price. The noise cancellation works quite well and the bass is really good as expected from JBL. There's a slight delay while gaming, I don't know why that is, but it is great for listening to music and watching videos or movies. So rounding up, it sounds really well for the price. Moving on to the controls, the buttons are clicky and work well. Short press for volume up and volume down and pausing or playing music, and long press to skip tracks. During an incoming call, long press for declining or receiving a call. The buttons are within reach and located perfectly. The connectivity is also quite good. Once paired with your device, no issues. Moving on to the battery life of the headphones, which is really good. It lasts up to 10 hours, but during the last half an hour or so, it makes the low battery sound every 5 minutes, which gets really annoying. And when the battery is out, you cannot use it as a wired pair of headphones, which is a disadvantage, cause other headphones in the same price range have that audio jack to be used as a pair of wired headphones. The headphones do have a micro USB port for charging. So summing up my entire experience, they definitely sound good and controls are great along with pretty good battery life. But the build is the problem, and the fact that it cannot be used as a pair of wired headphones when all other headphones in this price range can, it makes it a deal breaker for me. Cause it's also quite uncomfortable to wear for long hours, but you can definitely use it for casual use. So if you can get along with the build and don't care about using it as wired headphones, you can definitely go for it. But I can't, so I am not going for it.